Hello, loyal people who have probably clicked the first video that they see on the top of my channel. This is the Think Geek Power Up Arcade Light Switch. I got this with the Arcadian. Say hi, Tomo. And the Micro Spy remote, which I got, yeah. Doesn't make any sounds, but two lights. Anyway, it's fun, it's great, and it's missing. Look at that. I already installed this. There's a million videos of people installing this, and I'm not gonna make you guys wait through that, especially since I don't have like a tripod or anything. I can't even do that. So let's get into the review while I'm walking. Basically, this thing is really big. It couldn't even fit on my existing Switch because of this little border right here. It's basically really big, but it is really cool. I have it outside here. This is the Power Up Arcade light switch, and it's very bright, I gotta admit. You could turn it off on the bottom to conserve battery when you're not using it. This thing is really good. You can turn off the light if you want. Can't see anything though, so I'll put it back on. Pretend like you're at a real arcade. Like I said, it's way too big. I had to put it out here next to my Star Wars door, which decals that I've had on there since I was like in 5th grade. Again, this thing is great, I gotta admit. It is really cool, especially if you're into retro gaming like myself. The joystick feels really like, whatchamacallit, very authentic feeling. Just like you sat down to play a game of Pac-Man or Dragon's Lair. It really feels authentic like that. So do the buttons. The buttons are even more authentic, but of course that's easier to replicate. Awesome. So anyway, just so you guys can see, wait, the logo's popping up, of course. It's really nice, and it's a nice conversation piece for when someone wants to turn on the light. I have all the time to start a conversation. It's here. It's great. Let me get back into the room since I'm a bit shy with the lights. Just kidding, but yeah, the thing goes off by itself. The light on the top just starts going when you start pressing buttons, and then you can turn the whole thing on or off when you do want to. I'm probably gonna turn it on at night, turn it off at night, just so that way no one accidentally like that. Anyway, I thought, what the hell? My floor's dirty. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I just installed it earlier today, and I gotta admit, it's a really nice box for a light switch, and probably the nicest light switch box that I've seen. Never thought it would say that, but it basically goes over your existing light switch. It's battery powered. All you need is some batteries, but it won't like interfere with like your wall. It won't actually plug into your wall and like go into the cords and whatnot. It just goes over your light switch. It's a physical thing that flips a switch by itself, so it's really awesome. At the current time of me reviewing this, it was only $1. Apparently down east in Australia and everywhere else, they don't have traditional up and down light switches. They have dials or doubles or smaller ones or button ones or anything. I used to have a dial in my old room before I moved, so I could never have it. But if you're in America, New Jersey, damn, I said it again. This is worth picking up for $1 from ThinkGeek.com. They invented it. Alright, the camera ran out of footage and whatnot, and I'm going to edit these two videos together, and yeah, if you like it, buy it. It's only $1. I'm going to run out of stuff in 30 seconds. Film memory on my card. Remember to rate, comment, like, subscribe, especially if you like arcade light switches. Thank you and have a nice day. Whatever, it's gonna run out. Later.